Hey everyone, my name is Aaron Redbird Speed. Today we are going to be talking about the Truetrac versus the Wavetrac. We're going to talk about some applications, quality, warranty, pricing, and just talk about some pros and cons of each. So first, let's talk about some applications here. This Truetrac, you've got a few applications like 10 bolt 30 spline Posi, like Dana 60 35 spline Posis, where this unit is going to be available where the Wavetrac is not. So also in the Wavetrac, you've got the 9-inch 33 spline Posi, which there are very few 33 spline Posis out in existence for the 9-inch. And then you got a 35 spline 12 bolt Posi. So this is going to open up some opportunities here for sure. Now let's talk about quality. So the Truetrac, both of these are gear driven units, so there's no springs or clutches in them. So this Truetrac, on each side you've got a helical gear and you got 3 gears around the outside. So this Truetrac, it's going to be a lot stronger than a spring and clutch style Posi. So it's a nice quality piece. Now we come over here to the Wavetrac. Now this unit, you have 5 gears around that central gear on each side, so you get more contact area. So that's going to make this unit stronger. 9310 gears, they use ARP hardware, billet style case, very nice, American made fit and finish. I mean, it's a very nice piece. Now, getting back to let's talk some performance. So this Wavetrac, they have a patent on a design where you've got the 2 gears and it's got a wave in it. That's why it's called the Wavetrac. Let's say you're going around a corner and you're getting 0 drive and a hairpin turn on the inside, near 0. So you're going around this turn, that wave is going to separate, so you're still going to get drive to that outside tire. So when you're coming out of the corner, it's going to give you more drive, better acceleration, better performance. So if you're autocrossing or you're looking for that performance, great option. Also, one thing about Wavetrac, they've been known to work with people. So if you want something more drag oriented, you want something more autocross, road race oriented, they'll tighten it up, loosen it up. They can work their magic and essentially provide you a Posi to fit your needs. Okay, so let's come over here and talk about Truetrac. So warranty. This unit's going to have like a 1-year manufacturer's limited warranty. Now the Wavetrac has a limited lifetime warranty. So we've had outstanding experiences in dealing with Wavetrac. If you have any kind of issue like that, I've had great customer service out of them. So cannot say a bad thing about that at all. Finally, price point. This Truetrac, it's going to be less money. So if you got 400 or 500 horsepower car doing a little drag racing, you want a gear driven unit, get away from the spring and clutch, great option. If you're laying down some serious power and you want high quality American made piece, 5 gears, very stout unit, going to handle some strength, have a good warranty, Wavetrac, outstanding option. There is a good fit for both options. So it just kind of depends on your specific build of your car. So if you want to talk about that further, give us a call, 260-301-2424. Shoot us an email, shoot us a message, drop us a comment. We're on Facebook, Instagram. Be sure to give us a subscribe. We'll keep you up to date on topics like this. If you have any questions, got an idea for a video, drop it in the comments below. We appreciate your support.